Hello and welcome to this growth hacking YouTube course, which I hope you're going to get an awful lot of value from. It's great to have you here and thank you very much for enrolling. Oh, if you haven't enrolled, then for considering enrolling. My name is John Colley. I'm the 6-Minute Strategist and I've got over 33,000 online students. So I hope you're going to add to that number and really benefit from this course. Now, the course is all about how to get the most out of your YouTube videos and your YouTube channel. And to do this, you have to know how to take your YouTube video and optimize it in every way possible so that when you publish it on YouTube, it's going to have the best chance of ranking and your channel is going to get more growth and more subscribers. So it's all about how you publish and optimize your video on your YouTube channel, which is very straightforward. Now, the benefits of the course are very simple. If you're producing video and you get this right, then you're going to get more views on your video organically and you're going to get more subscribers ultimately on your YouTube channel, so it will grow. So if you want to achieve that, then this course is for you. And if you are any sort of video producer, videographer, or anybody who's producing content marketing and you're not producing videos and putting them on YouTube, you are leaving money on the table. So I strongly urge you to grab this course and go through it. It's very straightforward, very simple, very easy, and it's demonstrated by the fact that the project for this course is very simple. You simply take a video, you follow my checklist, having gone through the course, and you optimize that video and publish it on YouTube. And once you've done that once, a bit like riding a bike, I think you'll find it very straightforward. So please do that. Please share your projects, your tips, your screenshots, anything you like on the project gallery. It's always great to have feedback from you. If you need my help, I'm here to help. All you do is reach out to me, start a discussion, message me, whatever, but definitely ask questions if you have any of them. They're always really super helpful. So again, congratulations for enrolling in the course, or if you haven't, why not do so and spend a little bit of really valuable time making a huge difference to your YouTube channel and your YouTube videos. So come on then, let's get started. I hope you get a huge amount from this course. It's great to have you along with the community, and I look forward to joining you in the next video when we're going to crack on and go through the formal introduction of the course.